Welcome to WCrypto. We're back, baby!
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. We are so back. Bitcoin just bounced off $90,700 in the past 24 hours, avoiding dips to $89,800 and $90,400. Now we're trading above $96,000, right at another red dot on the hourly and the important 96.5K level. Let's analyze what's next. Yesterday's institutional activity was mixed. Grayscale accumulated $4.8 million, while Bitwise added $6.5 million. But other funds showed net outflows. Total ETF outflows reached $122 million. If Bitcoin sustains its upward momentum, we may see a reversal in these flows soon. Keep watching ETF activity. It often hints at major price movements. Bitcoin dominance has dropped from 61.5% to 58.4%. Historically, this signals potential altcoin rallies. In 2016, dominance fell 32 weeks after the halving, leading to an alt season. In 2020, the shift came 34 weeks after the halving. Now we are 30 weeks past this year's halving, and dominance is already trending down. This could mark the start of another alt season. What do you think? The alt season cycle chart highlights how Bitcoin dominance and price impact altcoins. When Bitcoin dominance drops and its price rises, altcoins usually pump. If dominance continues to fall while Bitcoin trades sideways, altcoin rallies can intensify. Right now, market conditions seem to align with these patterns. Heat maps show us where traders are most vulnerable. The 3-day heat map has cleared a key short liquidation level near $96,700. The 12-hour chart reveals a long liquidation zone around $92,700. Finally, the 1-week heat map points to a major short cluster between $99,700 and $100,000. These zones often act as magnets for price action, so expect volatility near these levels. Are we heading into an alt season? Could Bitcoin retest $100,000 sooner than expected? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For real-time insights and trade setups, join our Discord community. If you find these updates helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to stay informed. Stay focused and trade wisely. And see you in the next one.